Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Mira, and today we'll talk about creating AI images. I'm going to show you a tool that I have installed. With the help of this tool, you can create AI influencers. Let me demonstrate it for you here. This is not a question about reality. Real perception is not creative. You can generate images from many websites by inputting your prompts. But all the generated images are similar. Look here, the face doesn't change, only the clothes are changing. So how can you do this without limitations? If you use an online website, after a certain limit, they will ask for a subscription. I have installed it locally. You can get this on GitHub. I will provide the link below. Let's start with the installation process and how to use it on your PC. If you have a good GPU in your PC, then it will process faster. Even if you don't have a GPU, there's an alternative. You can use Google Colab. You won't need a GPU for that. First, let's go through the installation process. You'll find its link in the description below. If you're using Windows, download this file here. After downloading, you'll get a zip file. Just extract it and go inside the folder. There's a file named run.bat. Just double-click it. It will download all required dependencies. It will download everything your system needs. And it will open in your browser. I just generated this image and closed it. Now I have a command prompt open. I haven't closed it, so I'm running it a second time. In a few seconds, your browser will open automatically. Here you can see its version information, and you can open it in any browser. Okay, so I'm doing it here, and it is opened. The command line is running in the background. Look here, you need to click on Advanced. Here you'll see many different settings. If you scroll down, you can input an image here and also add negative prompts, things you don't want in the image. After that, you can adjust quality settings and choose different style types. You can choose cartoon style, or if you want realistic images, there are different style options available. You can select the style, and your image will be generated accordingly. The default model is selected here. Look, this is the default model here, and there are many more features you can use. When you click on the input image, you'll get many options. For advanced usage, what you do is enter a prompt here. I've written a prompt. I click here and pasted it, then click Generate. It will take some time. It needs to download some models first, then it will generate the image according to your prompt. Look here, an image has been generated. If you had selected multiple outputs, it would have generated 3 or 4 images. See this image that was generated according to the prompt. Now, let me show you how to create an AI influencer. In an influencer model, you want the same face, right? First, you put a good prompt to create a base model. For example, I entered a prompt for a 20-year-old person with specific features like flowers. The photo should look realistic and ready to use. Click on Input Image, then Image Prompt, select your image and drag and drop it here. I'll drag from here and drop it here, then click on Enhanced, and click on Face to mark the facial features. Now whatever prompt you enter, like wearing beach dress, I selected and enter this prompt. It's as if you have a base model, and you're changing its appearance. You can change the dress for different occasions, like a party dress. Or you can add clothing according to different countries and change the background. You must enable face swap for this to work properly. I'll do that and click Generate now. The image has been generated. You can see the dress and other details clearly. For better results, use a photo where the face is clearly visible. When the full face is visible, the face swap will work better. You can upload images here or drag and drop them, then change the outfit and location using the base face. You can also select different styles here. This is possible when you're doing it locally. This is a free alternative, but it requires some time and a good GPU for better speed. You'll find the link below. When you click it, this page will open, and what you need to do is click on this sign and run it. It will open Google Colab. It provides GPU access for free. You can run it there, and the required commands will be installed. After that, you can use this tool. Just let it complete the installation. After installation, you'll get a URL. Open it in a new window. And the design tool will open here too. When you click on Advanced, you'll see style options in the sidebar. Click it to see the available models and image generation options. Let's create one from scratch. I'll copy the prompt from here. I've written the prompt using ChatGPT. You can create your own prompts for old or young people. I'll click Generate again. The process will be faster here because Google provides GPU access. Let's check the specifications. Here we have 15 GB of GPU RAM, so your work will be done very quickly. Look, it's processing now. Here are the images. 2 images were generated. Let me show you the first one by opening it. You can open it in a new window. This is the first image, and here's the second one. The images have been generated according to the prompt about reading a large book at a small table. Look at this, this is the first image, and this is the second one. Go to Input and enable Face Swap here, then click on Advanced. Click on Face Swap, then you can use this image. I'll enter the same prompt here. I'll enter wearing beach dress and click Generate. The image has been generated. We used the previous image, enabled Face Swap, and added the beach dress prompt. You can see the beach dress design here. Notice how the glasses and facial features match. These are the results you can achieve. This is how it works. You just need to experiment with different prompts to create a good model. Better prompts will give you better results. You can select different aspect ratios and styles. To create a good model, try different styles until you find the perfect one. Then you can change the dress and backgrounds. This is how you can create AI influencers for your own content. I showed you how to do it locally by installing it. If you don't have good hardware, you can use it online through Google Colab. I'll be bringing more videos on this channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video.